I will probably not use again because I had to grab parts of my penis inside the fucking little filter there, right? But it took stuff out. So it was too powerful, okay? But I want to say this, okay? I have one that I bought at the Hustler store.
Yeah.
Right? And it does 3 things. No, really just 2 things. So it vibrates and sucks.
Wow.
Right? And so, you know what I mean?
Does it sort coins?
I think it might.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, I think it might. Yeah, yeah.
How long do you have to stay on it for? 8 seconds?
No, what I do is it's also water